How to create a partition in Windows. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily create a new drive on Windows. As you can see here, if I go to my PC, I currently have two drives. Now let's say if I want a separate drive for something else, I'll show you guys how you can create one. First thing, you can go ahead and open up your Run dialog box, press Windows plus R, and then here you can just go ahead and type in disk mgmt.msc. It's going to open up your disk management and press OK. Now once your disk management opens up, you'll find your simple volume partition. I only have a single disk on my laptop, but if you have multiple disks, you can select those multiple disks into multiple partitions as well. So I'll just show you guys. Let's say if I want to separate out around 5 gigabytes of memory from my D drive, what I can do is just right click on it and then click on shrink volume. Once you have done that, select how much volume you want. So it's going to be in MB. So basically 1 gigabyte is going to be 1024 MB, so you can calculate in that order. But for rough calculation, I'll just enter around 5000 MBs or 5 gigabytes. It's not going to be exactly 5 gigabytes, but a little bit less, 4 point something, but that's fine as well for now. I'll just tap on shrink. And as you can see, it has 4.88 GB unallocated memory. Now you're going to have to create a new disk. Even if we have separated the memory, it's not going to show up on our disk. So I'll just, if I just go ahead and open this up, my PC, if I just open it up, the partition is not there. So let's just go ahead and open our disk management again. Now what you're going to have to do is right click on this and then create a new simple volume. Once you click that, your new simple volume wizard will pop up. Tap on next. Again, tap on next. Now assign it a letter from A to Z. I'll just leave it as it is. Tap on next. And then make sure your file system is NTFS and allocation unit site is default. You can label this as something else as well. I'll just leave it on new volume and then press next again. Tap on finish and a new simple volume has been created. It's automatically going to open up this PC over here. So if I just head over here, as you can see, new drive has appeared on my screen. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.